Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to recover your unsaved Excel files in a very simple way. In order to do that, I have opened a simple file and I have created an employees table here. And I've done a bunch of stuff things and I don't know, designs. I have created the table borders, etc, etc. Doesn't matter. And I haven't saved the book yet, but accidentally I'm gonna close now without saving, and let's see what will happen. Oops, I didn't save it. Don't worry, don't panic. I have for you the solution. We're gonna do it right now, and you're gonna release all your stress and I don't know if you're afraid. Don't be afraid. So we're opening once again Excel file, and from this Excel dashboard we are coming to open section, and from the open section we have the recovery unsaved files button at the bottom of here. You can see it. Clicking this, and voila, we have the solution here. We have book 1 unsaved. Have the timestamp and the date. Opening this, and voila, as you can see, we recovered the unsaved files very easily. But this is not saved. We have to save it. We're coming to save section. I'm gonna save it to my table. I'm coming to my desktop, and I'm gonna call it employees table, table, and I've saved it. Nice work. But in order to prevent the unwanted future events like this, I'm going to show you a small configuration that you have to do it right now with me. We're coming to file section, and after that we're coming to options, and from options we're coming to save, and from here, as you can see, the save amount of time automatically is 10 minutes. You have to reduce it to 1 minute and click OK. Great, right? And now, after 1 minute of your Excel workbook you are doing inside some job, the Excel will save it automatically for you and only for you. Don't be afraid. So I'm going to show you something more. If you're not doing like this, how to recover your files in another way. Opening my Excel, and from here we're coming to blank workbook. Opening like this, and you're in panic. You don't have what to do. You have closed the workbook without voting, without any save. And how to recover it in a second way. We're coming to file section, and from here we're coming to info, and from here we're coming to manage workbook, recover unsaved workbooks, and as you can see we have here the unsaved workbook, and voila, this is the second way how to save your workbooks. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye. I love you all, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much. See you in my next video very soon. Bye bye. I love you all. Bye.